Hi, I'm Dana, and here's a quick guide to making reed diffusers. Use a container that holds approximately 6 fluid ounces and has a narrow neck. Begin by weighing out 3 ounces of CandleScience reed diffuser base. Next, weigh out 1 ounce of a compatible fragrance oil. Add the fragrance to the reed diffuser base and stir together, creating a 1-part fragrance to 3 parts base mixture. Carefully pour the mixture into your container. Add 6 to 8 reeds to complete the diffuser. For more helpful info and tips, visit us at CandleScience.com. Thanks for watching.